Samarkand city is one of the historical cities in Uzbekistan because the strategic location in the country was very important on the ancient Silk Road. And behind you can see this Radisson Square is very important in historical site in Uzbekistan for trade. And before it was a school. Let's get inside. Built of brick and decorated with mosaic patterns in the 15th century, the Uzbekistan is an important historic plaza in Islamic history. While Thailand is constructing a high-speed railway to connect Bangkok and the ancient capital Ayutthaya by 2028, Uzbekistan has operated high-speed trains since 2011. A senior Uzbek official from the Ministry of Tourism told Thai PBS World that convenient transportation has boosted tourism in the country, adding that more than 7 million tourists have visited Uzbekistan this year.
The main issue for developing tourism sphere is transportation. If we don't have railways, we don't have tourism. Uzbekistan is a big country, I mean territorially, and destinations between each city, it takes, for example, from Tashkent to Samarkand, it takes around 5 hours by car, 1 hour by airplane, and 2 hours by high-speed train. So we must create really comfortable conditions for tourists to travel around Uzbekistan. That's why government adopted a strategy of transport developing in Uzbekistan. Now we have high-speed train Afrasiop, which connect Tashkent, Samarkand, Navai, Bukhara.
With future plans with China and neighboring countries to build new railways, Uzbekistan is aiming at attracting more than 10 million tourists next year. Despite having only 700 Thai tourists visit the country last year, others say that Thailand is an Asian market on which Uzbekistan is putting more focus. With more marketing activities planned for the region, 3 tour operators from Thailand have confirmed participation in the Tashkent International Tourism Fair this month.
Now we have priority target markets. So South Asia is our priority targeting market, which includes Thailand. We have marketing strategy, especially not only for neighboring countries. We are very active in China, in Japan, and etc. We would like to be very active and very popular for Thailand tourism. So that's why we have marketing strategy for Thailand, which includes press tours for media, info tours for tour operators. We will hold Tashkent International Tourism Fair in Tashkent next month. We invited Thailand tour operators, and as I know already, 3 companies from Thailand will participate in this event.
While the high-speed trains transport hundreds of thousands of tourists to Samarkand, some critics have raised concerns about protecting historical sites as travelers flock to ancient mosques and plazas. The deputy governor of the Samarkand region told Thai PBS World that strict measures by the authorities to control noise pollution and limit heavy machinery movement in historical sites are necessary.
Uni nimasiga zarar yetkazishi mumkin. Sababi bu qurilganiga qarib 600 yil bo'lgan bino sal bo'lsa-da, misol uchun kattaroq texnika o'tgan taqdirda ham zarar yetishi mumkin. Shuning uchun bu hamma yog'i o'sha xodimlar tomonidan kirish, chiqish, uni nimalari nazorat qilinadi va 1 yilda 2 marotaba shu bino o'rganiladi. Ya'ni uni balandligi, qiyshayganligi, zarar yetmaganligi doim nazorat qilib boriladi.
Frank Kanshi reporting for Thai PBS World.